Howdy, y'all. So we're hooked up to Chris's trailer. I had to move the dump trailer out of the way to hook up to his trailer. His trailer's longer than my trailer. I might have got both the M and the H on my trailer, but I've never actually put it on there before. I definitely get two H's on there, but the M is bigger. So we're gonna go pick up some tractors, hopefully. And it's like after 6 o'clock in the evening already. So let's hope we can get this done this evening. So anyways, we had a little dude finagling because his truck sits about a foot higher than mine does, but we got it hooked up. So let's see what we got to do here to make it happen. Catch y'all later. Well, we're here. Now we gotta load up. And everybody else is gone. We're the last ones in the barn. So, last ones in the barn. One loaded. Well, we got them loaded up. Take a slow ride home. So here in the last couple weeks, things have really took a turn for the worst. Everything is dead brown. Grass is still green in some places, but not in others. It's still growing, but there's not much out there. It ain't growing very fast. Cows are eating it down fast when it can grow, and it's just looking rough. I do need to mow this, and the only reason I would mow it because the neighbor back there mowed the other section, and so now you got two different heights of grass. But anyways, cows been getting out. Dad's been dealing with them today. Apparently the fences got some holes in them again. Cows just keep making holes. These cows, these young cows that Dad they got out and come back here on this farm, they don't care about fences. They just keep getting out. They just make holes and make more holes. So struggling to get my, she is struggling to try to make it through this gate. We just got started. Let's find its lower gear. So we have enough power. She's running. She's got plenty of throttle. Let's cut her off. Oh, we're not gonna get nowhere like this. On second thought, you know, it's only one way to find out if it worked. The only way to find out if this tractor's gonna run. It's gotta use it. And anyways. Oh, she's clogged up. Starts right back up, no problem. Good to go. Yeah, right. Oh, she's struggling. We're gonna get her out of the field here. I don't know. I might find enough tools to take it apart, clean it out. I don't know if we can keep her going, I guess, or not. It's gonna be a long day if I gotta do that every 10 minutes. But anyways, probably gonna need a new pump. Only thing left to do is hook it to 1206 if this don't work. I changed I changed the things on the 4020, or change the things on if I change a couple things around, I could almost pull this 4020. But I got to do a couple things. But anyways. Change of plans. So we're gonna go put in a few fence posts because Cal's got out again, knocked all the fence down in the woods. Seems like it's the thing now. Right here. They laid all the posts down on the ground. I don't know whether that was going or coming, but they laid all the posts down on the ground. There's another spot down there that they've been coming back through, jumping over. So we gotta put this back up. I don't know where the wire is. Tired. Fencing doesn't agree with me. It just doesn't. But 7 o'clock now, it's time to quit. Cows get out tomorrow, we just have to fix it another day again. Tired. Very tired. So this thing's not running. This little check valve right here on top of the fuel pump gets clogged up, and you got to take all this apart to clean it out. And it should go ahead and run now. After I cleaned it out and put it back together, but we will see. But that's what happened to it. The little check valve gets clogged up for whatever reason, and it won't run or stay running. Ran long enough to Ran long enough to get the bush hog all ready to go to the field. As soon as I got in the field, it shut off on me. So probably should have blown it the other way. Well, we didn't fix the bulldozer. I had to start it a bunch of times to get it to the shed. Got it all blowed off. Folded up, put it in the shed. I just got to unhook it. Put something else on the bush hog. Try to somehow or another get it fixed. But anyways. Howdy, y'all. Well, unfortunately, we did a lot of work to hook that tractor up to the bush hog, and now we got to unhook it again. So it's going to need a fuel pump, I guess. I really wish I knew how to fix that myself, but I don't. So we're going to switch them. Well, we got the 1206 hooked up. We cleaned the windshield on the front, not the back ones. Go out here and see if it'll work. I really want to clean the other windows, but I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm always tired lately. I wish it wasn't like that, but I am. Cut down the briars with the 1206. The 14 didn't work out. Much out here to cut, but we'll knock the briars off. They won't be sticking up no more. We'll go over here and find some good ones over here on the other side. But I want to hit this one spot again that I hit the other day. As you can see, there's nothing out here to cut except for the briars. So that's what we're working on. It's that time of year. I gotta run around the field a little bit to catch them all. But other than that, you don't got to really bush hog the whole field, so kind of roll on. Ditches. Come around here and do the inside of the ditch. Just go in from the other side, but I wasn't sure how to get across the creek, so I didn't do it when I had the 14 hooked up to the bush hog. That works really good on this bush hog. Better than this 1206 does. Late in the year, this whole thing right here is just wet. It stays wet down here. But it's dry right now. It ain't rained in 3 weeks, so we're good. And just like that, back to mowing the yard. We still got a bunch back that way to do, but we got to come in from the other side. Because we can't get between the trees and the fence without pulling our wings up and ripping trees all down the side of the cab. So we're not going to do that. We're going to finish this and call it a day. Dad, he's going to have to move the wires so the cows can get a different field. Me, I'm going home. That tractor, I used to love riding around that tractor, but it's not as fun as it used to be. But anyways, it's got its purpose. Howdy, y'all. We're back at it again today. We're gonna go do the back half of this field. There ain't much back here, but we'll knock the briars down. And then we'll find a different part. Dad opened the wire up and let the cows back here last night. So since he did that, we're gonna go ahead and cut that part. Or see what there is. There's a bunch of briars on this side of the field, and that's about it. But anyways. We did the other side.